Good morning. Today topics Unit 3 Solid section. Topic is cone. Sir, pyramid. First we see the perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP of images. Top view plan, front view plan. So draw the top view. We focus on this side. So the blue color lines had highlighted vertical plan. So red color highlighted horizontal plan. Top view TV, front view FV. Draw the top view, true shape of base. This is a section and elevation of the true shape of objects. So in the directions we looking the projected on VP. First we draw the elevations view. Locate the center and draw the apex. Project the front view. Apex lies directly above the center. Join apex to all base corner. Show the visible and hidden edge for 3D. Base lies flat, apex on vertical upward. We focus. This is the first images. As per rules, we tilt the horizontal plan clockwise 90 degree. We cannot see the top view of the images in front view. So we look at the top view. It shows the images in the directions, in the shapes. Next one is a perpendicular to VP, parallel to HP. Procedures: draw the front view. This is a elevations or front view of objects. Next one is a mark center. Project the top view. Draw the apex in front view. Join apex based on the base corner. Visibility decided from the observer directions. Based on vertical, apex projected outward. Same in this direction we focus. First we draw the apex and we can see the top view in these directions. It show the bottom of below the XY directions. In these images appear in this shape. This is a front view. This is a top view. We should rotate the 90 degree in the clockwise rotations. Finally, we get the images in this shape, the front view, and this is a top view. This is the cut sections. We mentioned B dash and B A dash A. So these are the material properties highlighted in this box. Each color identify different properties of materials.